cool thing. They use actually. I hesitate to categorize it as AI, but like you could.
Here we go.
For their lending decisions, basically like who gets approved or not.
Yeah.
They have some like computer model, I'll call it, instead of AI. But I know they use the word AI a lot in their latest conference call, by the way. But and they talked about autonomous driving and stuff too, which if you've ever been to like Manila or anywhere, we take the infrastructure we have here, I think, for granted.
Yeah.
A Waymo would not do well over there, I don't think.
Yeah,
and we're probably a ways off from that. But they did say, oh, well, you know, when the infrastructure starts to make sense, we want to be a market leader in the autonomous side of things and stuff. So they paid lip service to it, but I think they know just as well or better than I do that infrastructure. But there was but because of like dilution, it shrunk. Because during pandemic times, they issued a lot of stock instead of taking on debt in order to, you know, keep the thing running. And I think that if you look at their balance sheet today, like granted, if you were in the stock when it was like $10 or $12 or whatever it was back then, you're probably like not too happy about that. Yeah. But if you look at their balance sheet today and the fact that they're starting to generate positive cash flow, I mean, you want your companies to have good balance sheets and generate positive cash flow, I think.
Well said. Where do you see the stock potentially going? Just bear case and bull case, and maybe one in the middle, whatever you think is more likely going to happen.
Sorry, I'm reading the chat.
Oh yeah. I wonder, is that bullish? is that bullish or bearish that they have lady boys over there? I don't know if that's good for the stock.
I have no comment on that.
I mean, you have older dudes that go over there that for that purpose, and
yeah, you do
have a reoccurring, like that's an addictive business.
So revenue. So Grab does do a lot better during tourist season, because they even mentioned that like people that are traveling use the app like more than twice as much as people that live there.